Good evening, traders, and welcome back at Bulltador. We have amazing news. This is worth it for some confetti. We have a brand new, rapid one-step challenge. And dear traders, amazing news tonight on a Sunday evening. We launched this one-step rapid challenge brand new, and it has a just 3.5% profit target, which you can see here in our challenge board. Phase one, there's only one phase. There's no two phase. 3.5%. This is, I would say, with much confidence, the lowest profit target in the whole prop firm industry. As you know already with Bulltador, news trading fully allowed, leverage 1 to 50. Amazing, also very trader friendly loss limits, 5% daily and 10% overall, with a straightforward and very fair profit split of 90%. We here at Bulltador, we don't need to start just at 60 and then increase it gradually with every payout, what most other prop firms are doing. Bulltador just delivers. And yeah, let's right now jump into the charts. I'm very excited because this week is a lot to expect. I mean, in the upcoming week, because the close on Friday was very volatile. We have many things to speak about, but let's start. We will go away from this stock. Let's directly jump into it. What I expect on the euro, euro USD, but we can even start. What I would like more to say is the euro Australian dollar, the euro Aussie, because there are amazing opportunities on this pair. Why? Because there is it happened a large sell-off since many months, and we had one of the first real kind of pullback. And also, if you watch right now on a weekly time frame, you can see after this kind of weeks after weeks downward momentum we have on a weekly, we have a very strong significant kind of already hammer candle. Definitely we can say hammer candle, and it touched also here, touch base in this support area. And as you can see on this chart, since it left previous or middle of December, it was just in a downfall. We had week after week red candles, and right now I would say it's at least right now a time for a longer pullback or correction. So there are two things how we can approach this right now trade. We can, for example, either we can go in a long position directly at the close, at the open, for sure, at the open, and we just put, for example, at the swing low our stop loss. But this is more as a swing position, because I expect at least it will go up in these levels. Or what I will do, just I will wait for a pullback in this level here. If you go right now from the 4 hours time frame in a lower time frame, this exactly hits very perfectly, so to speak, this kind of first new or freshly built flip level. What is actually, if you ask my opinion, this is perfectly aligned. I don't want buy right now, so it's for sure way too high. But I want it's coming back here, showing signs again of reversing, and then here this move up here with stop loss there. So and then I would say at least until this is my profit target, we have at least a 1 to 3 to expect on this trade. I would say here comes my profit target, and this is actually a very nice trade idea, because like we're discussing right now, this trade is overdue, I would say, for a long time. And yeah, I don't know why right now I can't correct my text. Anyway, here's my profit target. We can make also the line. So, and then with this, I wait right now patiently. Monday, Tuesday, price falls down into my level, and then I will go definitely long. But I'm waiting as always for some correction. Then maybe we can even time it a bit better, that we have a lower entry, and we come at least here close. Maybe we're coming close to 1 to 7.3, 1.75, nearly 1 to 2 risk to reward, what is decent and has a very high likelihood for the outcome, I believe. Other than that, on the US dollar, Swiss franc, euro USD, and for sure also as well the USD Australian dollar, Aussie USD, we have a lot of things to see, because here also was a huge sell-off in the last week. And the nice thing is right now on this pair, look, guys, how aggressively it went downwards. But here as well, right now, we are already approaching first of like kind of demand. And here for sure is a support to expect in this area. I mean, we have a beautiful higher supply level there. I don't know if price really travels all the way back up. I don't think so after this sharp sell-off. But for sure, if for now we draw here like a nice support level, and we will take a look deeper into it, how this looks like on a lower time frame, then I would say as well, it's kind of clear that here, because here's like actually a picture perfect for our zone aligned, that we can expect like a dive in, and then for sure also some reaction, what I expect at least. And then we can search again. What is my idea? Like to sell from this pullback. First, wait, let the pullback happen, and then go with the higher time frame trend aligned to sell the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. So that's also a pretty nice trend. So I expect it dives into this zone, and then just we will sell from this higher level. This is what I suggest. Other than this, nearly the same picture we have, just inverted on the US dollar Swiss franc. It spiked up a lot. It went up very, very high. Or if you see here on the weekly already, it's really beautiful coming from, from really this lower areas here. And this right now is an important flip level. If price will manage to break through, then is a lot of upside here. A lot of upside here in this pair, like really for weeks, I would say, to swing this higher. Other than that, yeah, this is the same scenario on a lower time frame. Also, I don't want buy right now at market open. I would rather say, okay, we have to wait for a pullback, for the same kind of retracement. Maybe in this area here would be perfectly aligned, and then we wait, and then we buy simply from here. Yeah, this scenario looking very, very also decent of the outcome. And more than this, if you look right now quickly at the equity indices, exactly like I predicted last week, there is a lot of downside. And finally, right now also, I think we saw a rough sell-off there as well. You see it's already going lower and lower on all time frames, but also on the weekly. So this is already right now a clear kind of weakness, because we have these three kind of shooting stars in a row. So there's pretty much nothing to expect than just only one direction, that it will dive lower. And the next level, what I would say we can approach like as a swing level. This is target number 1. I would say here is target number 1, but target number 2 for sure is the Trump tariffs low from last year, around 18,000, 17,500. But this is like for longer term. But what we will surely arrive is this level here around 21,700. So there's easy right now short of 3,000 points still in, what is a very good like risk reward. And these are really very nice trades, and also very profitable trades to take. And as well on gold, with the new dollar strengths aligned, I don't see pretty much upside right now anymore for gold. Gold also had, or is right now entering a sharp sell-off, which you can see here, which makes also things pretty clear on a higher time frame. And if you go on a daily as well on gold, there is right now not much to expect to the upside. I would say as well, this level here, 4,401, is something at least price will come back here to make the gap fill and come back into this beautiful flip level here. And then from here, we can maybe have a longer 2-3 months consolidation. I don't really expect that gold will drop below this 4,000 level, but at least gold I expect to come here. I hope you enjoyed our session today. It was very informative and insightful. I gave you a good overview about the overall directions of the markets. And don't forget, have fun and buy our new one-step rapid challenge. Dear Bulltador traders, see you next weekend, next Saturday in our live session. Until then, stay safe and happy trading week ahead.